So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Friendly Discussion. Me Anushka here to discuss the second part of tissue chapter, which is the animal tissue. Now before proceeding, let me tell you, if you have not seen the first part, then you can check the description box. The link is already given there. Now let's begin. Now as you know, there are four main kinds of animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and the nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue. Now epithelial tissue is a thin, protective and continuous sheet of cells, and they do the part of protection from the foreign agent. Our skin is also made up of epithelial. Now there are three types of epithelial tissues: squamous, then is the columnar and the cuboidal. Now, squamous epithelial. They are composed of cells which are thin and flat with prominent nuclei closely packed. Now second is the columnar epithelial. It contains vertically arranged cylindrical or brick-like cells, and these cells are usually tall in size. Now the third one is the cuboidal epithelial. They are found in some parts of the kidney tubules and also in some ducts like some glands also. Connective tissue. It binds one tissue with the another and also connects various tissues, various organs, keeping them in the proper place. Now there are three characteristics of connective tissue. The first one is abundance of intercellular substances, the matrix. The second is fewer cellular elements. The third is fibers. Now connective tissues are classified into three types. First is connective tissue proper. It serves for packing and binding the organs. The second is the supportive connective tissue, which gives support. And the third is fluid connective tissue, which consists of blood and fluid. Now let us find out what comes under what. The first is connective tissue proper. Under this, three types of tissues come. First is areolar, then is adipose, and the third is fibrous connective tissue. Now areolar tissue. They have lot of cells which fight with the foreign bodies. And the second is adipose tissue. Now adipose tissue, they store fats and they are usually known as fat tissue. Supportive connective tissue. Under this there are two, the cartilage and the bone. Let me tell you about the cartilage. Now cartilage is non-porous tissue and it has thickened intercellular substances. It has no blood cells or nerves and they are semi-transparent and elastic. Now the second one, which is the bone. Now bone is a hard porous tissue and it has a good supply of blood vessels and nerves. Now then is the fluid connective tissue, under which first one is blood and the second is lymph. These two comes under it. Blood is a major component of our body and it is made up of RBCs, WBCs and the platelets. Now RBCs, they help in the transportation of oxygen. WBCs, they are the soldiers of our body which fight with the foreign enzymes, foreign agents of foreign bodies. And platelets, they help in the coagulation in blood, and blood, it holds all the blood in our body. Muscle tissue. Now muscle tissue forms the muscles of the body. They can contract and relax. They help the body in its movement. Now they are divided into three: striated, unstriated and the cardiac muscles. So the first one is striated muscles. Now whatever we do, these muscles are under our control of our will, and they are made up of long fibers which are nucleated and striated. The second is unstriated. In this, the muscles are not under our control of our will, but they are made up of spindle-shaped tapering cells which are uninucleated. Now the third is cardiac muscles. They are involuntary in function and they are found in the walls of the hearts. Now fibers of cardiac muscles are striated and uninucleated and they are branched. It works to keep the heart pumping and it works 24/7. But the main thing, the saddest part of this is the cardiac muscle cannot repair themselves and they are very important to our body. Nervous tissue. Now this is a network of nerve cells and fibers which transmit nerve impulse between the parts of the body. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share with all your friends. Definitely subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. On that particular note, I'll say bye bye Everyone, take care and I'll be seeing you very soon.